Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, Foxx here. Just a quick video to let you know about a new benefit available to any of you that support me on Patreon or as a YouTube channel member. You may know that you can help support this channel and keep it alive by becoming a Patreon patron or a YouTube channel member, and for a while, as a perk of being a patron, I've hosted a Patreon exclusive Discord channel. But to be perfectly honest, for quite some time the Discord has been as dead as a dead dog's arse. Basically not much happens in there, and it's been that way for quite a while, and it was also not available to channel members. So I've decided to retire it and replace it with something much better. Since yesterday, thanks to Carl over at Festy67's workshop and Dad over at Scaly Models, my patrons and channel members will now be given exclusive access to Dad and Carl's live 24/7 Zoom Hangout channel. Here you can join in anytime, any day and hang out with patrons and members of not only my channel but also Colin and Dad's channel too. And don't worry if you don't have a camera, you can join as audio only, or if you prefer, there's a Facebook Messenger group chat for those that want to stay text only. And it's not live on the YouTubes or anything like that. It's a healthy, safe space that can be controlled to help you all, which is why it's only available to patrons and members. It's also a great way for me to offer patrons and channel members exclusive content by hanging out there with you from time to time whilst working on stuff, giving you access that non-supporters don't have. So, if you're already a patron or a channel member, there are links in the description below this video where you can find all the information you need to access this cool hangout. If you aren't already a supporter and you want to join in, simply head over to patreon.com/modelmakingguru to become a patron, or click the join button below this video to become a channel member, and you'll then be able to access the links below this video to get started. Anywho, that's it. I just wanted to let everyone know this is now available. I'll be in there from time to time when I'm not filming, so I hope to see you there. And it just remains for me to say, as ever, a massive thank you to all my current patrons and channel members. You keep this channel alive and you make it all possible, and without you, it would cease to be. Take care, be good, wear a mask, and adios amoebas.